it sucks, but so here it is, Mustangs 4. Alright guys, we just arrived to the dealership and see them right there. Let me see. Alright, try to get a better video for you guys in a moment. Nice wheels. Windshield, this is kind of weird. I was trying to negotiate that. It's got a few rock chips right here, but you know, a little bit of fading on the headlights, but seems pretty solid. Oh, I gotta repaint this wheels. Yeah. Two set of keys. AC works. AC works. Well, it's pretty cool. So. Yeah. It's funny because these cars have Brembos. They're just not branded. It's Brembos.
So it's the same manufacturer.
Yeah, 2015 is the Brembo, the 4-piston Brembo. So if you go performance package, you get the 6-piston Brembos. Now they're branded if you get the performance package. If you're not, they're not branded.
That's good to know. I didn't know that.
They're Brembos.
Tripping in second, that's good.
Sí, jaló, porque el traction control, it was messing up. Nice.
You could, if you have, you could go in and just drive this way.
You trust me as a driver.
You're good. You're good. Exactly. If I then I'm like, hey, buddy, you know what? Like, I'll fix it for you.
No, I know how to drive stick.
No, for sure.
I've been driving stick.
Lo puedes poner detrás de la Maverick esa.
Yeah, I like it, bro. Definitely. So they have this unit here in the dealership. This thing is beautiful, man. And this is a 2020 GT500. The interior of this machine is legit. Put this right here. Oh, look at the seats with the suede. It's got suede on the steering wheel. I have no idea how many miles it has. I think they're asking like 85 for it. Seems to be a great deal. I like the wheels. Let me get my water. Yeah, this thing is pretty sick. It's got the Predator. Pretty clean car.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so we did a thing. Just it. This is our new 2016 Mustang GT. Got this bad boy for a great deal. Now it's not perfect, but one owner car, no accidents, 54,000 miles. It's great, man. Super excited. Happy to be able to modify this thing and yeah, make some great content with it. Love the Gen 2. Actually think that this car looks better than the Gen 3s. Not because I have one now, it's just, I don't know, something about the headlights, and I just like it more. I like more the lines of this car. Little blemish right here. It's not perfect, but it is what we got. And look at that. hood vents, the lights. It's only a 16 option. The interior of this thing is clean. It's a base model, but super clean inside. The cloth is a little bit loose, but it is what it is. Alright, so first start up as the owner. Love the S550 interior. So quiet too. So quiet. Feels good to be back on the S550. Very cool. Very cool. Alright guys, so driving home in the 2016 Mustang GT, man. I can't believe we did this. Feels good to be on a Gen 2, man. Just, I don't know, there's something about this, the pricing, and you know, it just feels right to be able to do this, you know. It's a great car, man. You can't beat it for the price. You know, these cars are so quiet, so refined, and you know, the Gen 2 platform could handle a ton of boost and could make up to 1,000 horsepower without sweating it. This car not having the DI, it's just a lot more simple and to work with, and you know, if you have issues, it's just better. But anyways, I'll get to a full review of this car later on, not on this video. I just want to kind of show you around. This thing is so quiet, man. It's just completely bone stock. That is one thing that it's not gonna remain like the Mach 1. This car is not gonna be bone stock. This car, I have some plans for this thing, and this thing is gonna be a rocket ship. I will talk later the plans for this car, but just know this is not gonna be a stock, and I'll say it, 90% this thing is gonna be boosted, and it's gonna be a handful, because I do miss my supercharged stuff. So no turbos, not a turbo guy. I know they're fast, they're faster than superchargers, but yeah, most likely it's gonna be a blower. And alright guys, so as you can see, driving the Mustang, I've been driving for, let's see, 111 miles, doing about right around 25 mpgs. This thing is awesome, man. This thing is like a brand new car, to be honest. It drives very similar to my Mach 1 in the sense that it's very refined, it's very quiet. It might be because this thing doesn't even have a performance package, and it was, you know, I don't know if I said this, but it was owned by an older gentleman, so that might be the reason why this thing is, you know, well taken care of. It only drove 6,000 miles per year, so you know, it might be one of the reasons why this thing just, you know, honestly, it drives like a brand new car. Granted, it is completely stock, so you know, I think for engineers know at making cars. So yeah, guys, enjoying the drive, you know, cruise control, just chilling. Alright guys, so here it is. This is our new 2016 Mustang GT. Definitely new to me. And yeah, hopefully the audio comes out good. It's very windy today, so I do apologize if you hear a little bit of wind. This is our new 2016 Mustang GT. I just wanted to bring it out to you raw. I have not even washed this car because I want to show you all the defects and things that we're gonna be working on this car together to bring it back to its former glory days. So as you can see, this car was driven a lot on the highway because there's a lot of like rock chips. You can see right there. I'm trying to bring it out, film it with my best camera so I could show you guys some of the rock chips. That's the spider web right there. You can see the headlights are a little bit of fading because of the sun, so we're gonna clean that up. Also, the paint might look good on video, but it's not really all that good. There's a lot of oxidation with the paint, and it's just the car just needs a lot of like TLC and love. Yeah, just it's a quick walk around this car to show you this is indeed a one owner car. It's got 54,000 miles, no accident history with this car. And yeah, overall it's a beautiful car, as you can see, but it's not perfect, and we're gonna bring it out to perfect. So you can see the deck lid not in the best shape, little bit of fading there. Let's try to see if we could bring that out. Also the spoiler, not in really the best shape, but it's really hard to see. It's a little bit of fading. Paint is just not in great shape. Even though on video might look a little bit better, I promise you it's not in great shape. The wheels and the rims of this car, I call it the wheels and the rims. They're not in the best shape. So as you can see, for some reason the rims on the passenger side are like fading, and on the driver's side they're pretty much perfect. I'm guessing this car was sitting parked right next to a sprinkler, and yeah, it caused some corrosion on the rims for sure. Again, more rock chips. Plastic is a little bit faded. As you can see, I'm gonna show you on the driver's side so you can see how much better those wheels actually look. See that? It's just a lot better on this side. So yeah guys, here it is. Hopefully you guys like it. I know there's a million YouTube builds for S550s, and this one is gonna be, it's gonna be I did not buy this car just to make content. I bought it because I really like the Gen 2 S550s, and yeah, it's just a great bargain in today's market. So I jumped right into the opportunity of owning one of these cars. So hopefully you guys like it, and yeah, we'll go from there.